y'all, I'm Patty and this is Little Red Southern Kitchen. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, take a look around at my videos. I'm a Southern cook, but I don't limit myself just to that only, and my instructions are for all levels of cooks. So hit that subscribe button. I'd love to have you in the family. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. Today we're going to be cooking Amish white bread. And I'm just going to go ahead and just start right in on it. You need 2 cups of warm water, which is going to be 105 to 115 degrees. Don't go over 115. You need a 1/3 cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of yeast. Now, I'm going to stir this around a little bit. Alright, I'm going to leave this sit for about 5 minutes and let it bloom, and then we'll be back. Alright, the yeast is proofed. Now what you're also going to be needing is you're going to be needing about 5 or 6 cups of bread flour. You can use all-purpose flour, but I use bread flour. And I'm going to start with 1 cup. And I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of oil. I am using olive oil, but you can use any kind of oil you want. I'm going to start this a bit. I'm going to be letting my Kitchenaid do all of the work, kneading and everything. Because as I mentioned when I'm doing my pizza dough, I have neuropathy and I can't sit there and work that dough like that. Alright, I'm going to put in this 1.5 teaspoons of salt. There's another cup. I'm going to go ahead and let's... I have the shield, but I never use it. I fussed and crumped around wanting it, and I never use it. That's 2 cups. This is going to be making 2 loaves. This is kind of a subscriber request, but it's a family member request. That's 3, 4. Oops, I can't do that. Guys, we actually had winter the last 2 days in here in South Carolina. I think it's warming up a little bit, not real warm. But it is warming up. And this is the 5th cup. Now what I'm going to do now is I'm going to blend this in. I'm going to let this work for a little while. And I am going to let it, after it blends a little bit, I'm going to see how, if it's still wet. 5 cups usually does it though. And then, but I'm going to let this work for 10 minutes, 8 to 10 minutes. So we will bring y'all back whenever I'm ready for the next step. Alright, I've been letting this run, and I think it's still a little bit too wet. So I'm going to add this last cup of flour. And now we're going to let this run for 8 to 10 minutes. Whoops. Alright, we'll be back. Okay guys, this has been running for a little over 8 minutes. And I'm going to take it off here. Oh God. See how good it comes out? A lot of people just put it back in there, but I don't. In this pan, I do have it sprayed with cooking spray. And I'm gonna put it around on both sides so both sides get oiled. Cover it with plastic. And my oven, I don't turn my oven on, but I have my oven light on. And that's draft free and it's warm without being hot. And it's going to sit till it rises, doubles in size. Then we'll be back for the next step. Okay, guys, we're back. I had to run to the store. And this stayed in the oven almost 2 hours and it was explosive. It's falling down a little bit, but I'm going to punch this down. What I did was I sprayed my countertops. People think you need to put flour on it. No, you do not. You do not need to add any more flour. What I've also done is I've sprayed 2 9x5 loaf pans with cooking spray. And I'm going to eyeball this for half. Because this has to go through one more rise. Place them in here. I think I probably could have got 3 out of here. Alright, now at this time, these are going to rise up again till they're about 1 inch over the top. Then we'll be back for the baking. Alright guys, I don't know what's up with these. These didn't take any time to rise. So, preheat your oven to 350. And you're going to put them in there for about 25 to 30 minutes. And over here, I was taking off the plastic. And I pushed it a little bit so that one deflated a piece. But, alright, we will bring you back. I'm going to put these in the oven whenever it's preheated. And I'm going to get my rack and bring it over. So whenever they're done, I can start cooling them. Be back shortly. And I just got these, I just got these out in the oven. Little mishap, and oh, that one's got a little, well, don't know what. Alright, I'm going to put some butter on these before I take them out. I keep my butter in a little Cool Whip bowl that I don't refrigerate too often. My house smells amazing right now. Now, even though these are done, and I'm going to let them cool, I'm not going to cut them till they're totally cool, because they'll mess up. They won't cut right. About halfway through, I also did, went around and turned them around in the oven. Alright, let's see how I can do this without making too much of a mess. Look at that. I want y'all to hear something and come get close. That's how you know they're done, when they sound like that. Alright, I'm going to let these cool and we'll bring you back and show you a slice with good old butter on it. Be back shortly. Okay guys, I went ahead and cut off the end piece real quick and slathered some butter on it. But one thing, you always cut with a serrated edge knife. And make sure you cool it completely before you cut it. And also make 100% sure that you cool it completely before you put it in a bag. Well, that's going to wrap it up. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Comment below and give me a big thumbs up. Please share it out on your social media and help my channel grow. Alright, bread's ready, y'all. See y'all later. Bye.